Hi, good morning. Quick update. What's happening on the farm? I haven't made a video for a long time now. So I thought I'll bring out the camera and show you guys, give you guys a quick farm tour, what it looks like at the moment. Out towards the pig pen. Under the trees, yeah, most of the snow is gone. Cat shed looks still pretty good. Hopefully the sheep don't see me, they'll go crazy. I've been feeding them some grains lately, and now every time they see me they scream like crazy. I'm not going to walk all the way there. I can just show you guys from afar what it looks like. Still very icy and slippery. Yeah, you can see where the coyotes come in during the winter. See a track, yeah. They come out, yeah, and then they go towards that gate there. Hey Soda, are you enjoying the sun? I think she is. Hey, rolling around in the mud. Oh yeah. Is that good? I think so. The garden at the back there. Not much happening there. Strawberry patch. And then out to the greenhouse. I think this week I'll order the plastic, get this thing covered. I also have to order some, or go and get some galvanized steel pipes and just reinforce the roof and just finish this off. Gonna grow some tomatoes this year. Shouldn't it take too long, maybe a weekend I can finish this off. Spent a little bit of time yesterday just trying to sort this out. I got this box of containers and the idea is to just sort all the stuff out. Maybe I'm thinking of maybe making a shelf underneath this bench so I can just pull it out and then have all the containers there. It's all just knickknacks, screws and stuff. Just makes it easier to find. Out here in the front, it's a little bit muddy. Starting to melt down in the big field. Another 2 weeks or so I can go in there and start cleaning up. At one point in the winter it got a little bit smelly in that barn, so I dragged out all this stuff and I'm gonna just pile it up here, make some compost out of it. and then spread it all over the fields. So this winter I just packed all the stuff that I'm still working on, the trailer. Well, that's pretty much complete. Then I want to redo that baler, a Bale King 486, strip it down, get it fixed up. That auger I want to fix up. That baler there, the square baler, I use a lot, so I did that a couple of years ago. Maybe I have to jump in and fix some stuff again. And then the manure spreader, I want to do the manure spreader as well. It's pretty good, just needs a good paint. And then I need to fix this place. Lots of crap lying around. That's gonna be the summer's job. Grains, I still have some grain left. We have barley. Oh, that stuff smells so nice. Decomposting grass, earthy smell. Ace, you want to go in? Let's go and see the ladies. Hey ladies. Hi ladies. Guys, happy to see me? I have a problem with the chicken coop. It was overtaken by mice this winter. I got like tons of mice. I asked my son to get some pellets for me. I've got an old pellet gun. I'm gonna start shooting these mice. But I'm leaving it open, and hopefully the cats, we've got 2 barn cats. Hopefully they'll sort out that problem for me. Come ladies, the sun is out, come. Enjoy the sun. I got them locked up here, they can't really go anywhere. But they're getting spring fever. Getting excited to go out there. And the chickens starting to free range again. They can go everywhere on the farm, wherever they want to go. True free range chickens. No cages, nothing. And these little ones is growing well. Yeah, stop smoking. Yeah, girls. Yeah, I'll feed you later. In the evening. Eat your grass for now. Nice fresh grass. These little ones. I like the small lambs. And the big mess outside, yeah. I have to fix this up. This is becoming out of hand. And I got a motor engine there for my boat. I want to still fix that up. So I think I've got a lot to do this summer. There's the barn cat. Hey meow. Hey meow. Hey meow. Hey meow. Did you catch some mice for me? Hmm? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Are you hungry? Hmm? A very nice cat. I like this cat. Okay guys, that was a quick tour of what's happening here. I'm gonna make some more videos this summer. I got a bit lazy in the winter, but come the summer I'll make some more videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you're welcome to subscribe if you want to. Well, take care until the next video. Bye.